This is Athens Drive.
The STEM Academy at Athens Drive High School has a theme of sustainability. Here are a few projects that we used to implement our theme.
We introduced composting to lunches at Athens. We also had events where students could collect leaves, which would be used as browns for composting. The compost generated was brought to a local community garden.
The Athens Drive STEM Academy also helped build a solar panel system at the school. After fundraising and being approved, the solar panel system was contracted and finally built at Athens in 2020. Here at Athens, we installed sun-powered E20-435, which has produced about 4,000 kilowatt-hours per year and saved Athens Drive $648 in energy costs to date.
The Athens Drive STEM Academy decided to implement a bingo week, where students could complete a variety of tasks with anything from taking a walk, composting, recycling, or even joining a more broad service project organized by the STEM teachers. Overall, the initiative was a massive success, with countless students completing rows and some even completing their entire boards. We hope to implement this again in future years in the drive.
Another way that the STEM Academy promotes less wasteful practices is through our plastic bag sleeping mats. Students donate plastic bags and come after school to help cut and tie them into thread. Then we weave them into a sleeping mat. They will be donated to local shelters. These sleeping mats are comfortable, water-resistant, and reduce plastic bags ending up in landfills. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about our sustainability initiatives at Athens Drive.